Indian style chicken curry is one of the most preferred dishes in every household. Patiala chicken is one such type of chicken curry. This delicious chicken recipe is something that you must try. So let's get started with today's recipe. To marinate the chicken, in a bowl of 500 grams of chicken with bones, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half cup thick curd, half teaspoon dried and roasted kasuri methi, also known as fenugreek leaves. Mix all the ingredients with the chicken until it is well combined. Refrigerate this marinated chicken for 1 hour now. In a heavy bottomed non-stick saucepan, heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Add 2 green cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and half teaspoon cumin seeds to the pan. Stir fry the spices on medium heat for a minute. Now let's add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger to the pan. Stir fry the ingredients for 2 minutes on medium heat. Next we will be adding 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions to the pan. Fry the onions on medium heat until they are soft and translucent. Once the onions start changing color to slightly brown, add 1 medium-sized tomato, along with 1/4 teaspoon sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt sprinkled over the tomato. Fry the tomato on medium heat for at least 6 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and the raw smell is completely gone. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/8 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and 1/4 cup water to fry the spice powder on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. Fry the gravy until the oil separates and the raw smell is completely gone. This process should take around 10 minutes to fry the masala on medium heat. Now we will be adding the marinated chicken pieces to the pan. Also, we will be adding 2 teaspoon green chilies to the pan. Mix and stir the chicken on high heat for the first 3 minutes until it is well coated in the masala gravy. Sauté the chicken for another 10 minutes on medium heat until the chicken starts to change color. Let's sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder over the chicken gravy. Mix and fry the chicken for another 8 minutes until the oil starts separating. Add around 200 ml of water to the chicken now to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Mix and stir on medium heat until the water is well combined with the chicken. Cover and cook the chicken for 10 minutes on low heat now. Once the chicken starts to simmer, turn off the heat and set the chicken aside. In a fresh pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add half cup of onion petals, half cup of green capsicum or bell pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir fry the ingredients for 2 minutes on medium heat. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/8 teaspoon coriander powder to the pan. Fry the spices for 2 minutes on medium heat. Next, let's add 4 tablespoons of cashew nut paste to the pan. Stir the ingredient on low heat for 3 minutes until oil separates in the pan. Add this prepared mixture to the chicken curry and let's turn on the heat to medium. Mix and stir the chicken curry on medium heat for 5 minutes or until the oil separates. Lower the heat and sprinkle half teaspoon kasuri methi, 1/4 cup of fresh cream and 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves in the pan. Stir vigorously on the lowest heat possible until the fresh cream is well combined and you are all done. Turn off the heat and serve this with rice and roti. This chicken patiala recipe is a signature Punjabi dish good enough for a feast. If you are a person who likes creamy chicken recipes, then this patiala chicken is just for you. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Also, obviously, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you again. Bye.